And then we have that 1 3/4 in there, but we'll deal with that in a minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler, we're going to line it up with the edge of this page. Now, one of the things I need you to know here is this 0 is not at the end of the ruler, so you have to pay attention to that, right? So we got, this lines up to 0, this lines up to 8.5. So the first measurement I'm going to make on here is what? The first measurement I'm going to make on there, what's x? What did we say x was? 3. So that's the first measurement I'm going to make, right? And then we know we have 2.5 in the middle, so what is 3 plus 2.5? 5 1/2. So I'm going to mark it there, okay? Now, there's that 1 3/4 that's in the middle of there. How do you think I should do that? Because what we're doing is we're making a baseline, a top line, and I need that median line that's at 1 3/4. So I can get the measurement from that. What is 3 plus 1 3/4? Well, it's 3 plus 1 3/4.
4 3/4.
4 3/4. And 4 3/4 is basically in between 4.5 and 5. We can agree on that one? And we'll do more with the measurements in a minute. So I'm going to mark this all up on one side of the paper. And then to make sure that my lines are straight, I'm going to go to the other end of the paper and I'm going to mark up the same one. So I have 3, 4 3/4, and 5 1/2. Okay? And then if I take my ruler and I line up these two marks, basically this top line should always be how many inches away from the top? 3, right. And then this middle line is going to be my 1 3/4 where my lowercase letters are going to hit. And then my baseline is going to be, now you'll notice when I'm putting down this ruler, I'm lining up my two marks. I'm spreading out my fingers so I can do that, and then I just drag my pencil along there. That should get me everything I needed in the middle of those pages. Okay?
This is
all right,
a lot.
we're good.